Good morning, everyone. In our previous lessons, we mastered the fundamental structure of an HTML page and the power of semantic elements. Today, we're going to refine our content presentation even further by diving into advanced text formatting and, crucially, organizing information with lists. This will make your web pages not just structured, but also highly readable and user-friendly. Let's start with some powerful text tags. First, the block quote greater than tag. This is used for extended quotations from another source. When you use it, browsers typically indent the text, visually setting it apart. It's perfect for quoting a paragraph from a book or a speech. Next, for displaying code or text where whitespace and line breaks are important, we have pre and code. The pre tag, short for pre, preserves all your spaces and line breaks exactly as you type them, and it usually renders in a monospace font. The code tag is for short snippets of code, often used inside a pre greater than 4 multi-line blocks, or inline for single code words like console.log. We also have a few handy inline tags. Mark is for highlighting text, like using a highlighter pen. Small greater than is for small print, like copyrights or disclaimers. Sub creates subscript, like the 2 and H. Sub greater than creates sup, like the 2 and E equals MC. And del greater than N ins show text that has been deleted or inserted, typically with a strike throw or underline. Now, let's talk about lists. Essential for clear information organization. HTML offers 3 main types. Unordered lists. These are for items where the order doesn't matter. Think of a shopping list or list of features. Each item in an unordered list is marked with a bullet point by default. You define the list with O greater than, and each list item with li. Ordered lists. In contrast, ordered lists are for items where the sequence is important. This is perfect for step-by-step instructions, rankings, or recipes. By default, items in an ordered list are numbered. You use OL greater than for the list container and li greater than for each item. You can even customize the numbering type, like using Roman numerals or letters, and set a starting point. Definition lists. These are less common but incredibly useful for facts or any situation where you have a term and its corresponding definition. The DL tag is the container. Inside, you'll have DT greater than for the definition term and DD for the definition description. By using these list types appropriately, you make your content much easier to scan, understand, and digest for your users. In summary, today we've expanded our HTML toolkit to include advanced text formatting options like block quotes and preformatted text, and we've learned how to structure information clearly using unordered, ordered, and definition lists. The goal is to effectively present textual content and organize information. Your ability to choose the right tag for the right content will make your web pages more readable, more accessible, and ultimately, more professional. Now, let's move on to our hands-on activity where you'll get to apply these new skills.